Hello loves, welcome to UniekMakes by Cristina. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Today I have a VR/project share that I want to share with you, and this is for CraftyChristalyn. So let's go ahead and get into this. Okay, for her challenge, this is a birthday challenge, and for her challenge she wanted a chunky MemoryDex card in any style with your info in the back and an embellishment box, and you could also add some extras for extra entries. And this one is due June 8th. So let me show you what I went ahead and made for her. So I want to show you this one. I created a MemoryDex, and with this one I use Ms. Kate Design cardstock, and I will put the info in the description below. I did add a ruffle right here that you can see, and that's Scrap Diva, and I added some mesh onto that also, and I did add some balloons because since it's a birthday challenge. And then the butterflies is Scrap Diva design, and I really love those butterflies. Also created a rosette in the corner just to give it a little more dimension. And the sentiment says best wishes. And I did put some flowers that I hauled from Temu on there, and I really love how this turned out. I love, so pretty. I love the gold. I don't use a lot of gold, but I know a lot of people love the gold, so I went ahead and used that. Trying to go a little bit outside of what I usually make. So I made that one. And then for her embellishment box, okay, for the embellishment box, I also use the same frame to cover the front. It does say, I did put a sentiment that says stop and smell the roses. And of course I added some more butterflies. I love butterflies. Added some flowers on there. And this one here, I also popped it up on some foam. But with this I made a band and I velcroed it so you could always reuse it. So all you do is take the velcro off. And this is actually a pretty cool die that I have, which is like a ruler. Look at that. I love how that turns out. It gives it some more texture. So I have that. Put that aside. And then this is what I gift her for the embellishment box. So in the embellishment box, I basically made it for spring and summer. So over here I did add some flip-flop charms, and actually two different ones. So I did add the regular flip-flop, and I think these are so cute. And then the Crocs here. Look at that. These are flat backs, which you can easily make into a charm because it's thick enough. So I got a mixture of that. Here I have a mixture of flower wood buttons, and in different colors. These are so cute. And then here I gifted some flowers that already have jemmies, and I gave her different colors in there. Those are some of my favorites. Now in this one I put some beads, and also did some, I think all of these are beads, but I did a bouquet of flowers, a lily, a tulip flower, a heart, and some jemmies, which I love those jemmies. Put that back in. And then over here I gifted some more of those flower jemmies, a swan that I hauled earlier, some leaves in there, and then some summer flowers are in this one. I put some butterflies and some little flower beads in here. Here I put some cherry charms in there and some flat back bows that you could glue, and this one's some more of the flat back bows, and also putting these little centers that you could use to center on flowers and bows. Some little cute charms here and flat bags, some more little flat bags and beads in there, and then also gifted some beads that I hauled from a TikTok shop. Look at that, it's one of my favorites. And then I gave her some little bead caps. There go some more beads, and here is some spacers and a fancy bead, which I won't take out everything, but yeah, so that is what I gifted her for her challenge. All I gotta do is write a little note for this, and yeah, this one is due May 8th. So let me know, leave a comment below and let me know what you think. Subscribe if you haven't, and hit the notification so you do know when I upload a video. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye bye.